Hi YouTube family, and welcome into today's video. I had one of you subscribers, her name is Ginger, ask me to do a minimalist makeup look. I am going to be bringing you this very easy, office appropriate, everyday appropriate, grocery store, whatever you want to say, appropriate makeup to take you in just like 10 minutes out the door. You're ready for your day. So as you can see already, I've already done part of my makeup. I have my primer, my foundation, my eyeshadow primer. Don't skip your eyeshadow primer even though we're doing very little makeup, because you want that little bit of makeup to stay on all day long. My eyeshadow primer, I have my eyebrows on, my concealer on, and I think that is it. So we're going to get right into this. We're going to start with eyes, and what I want you to do is I want you to pick up any sort of a chubby pencil you have of any color that you like. Since I'm doing a very minimalistic look, I chose to just pick up a brown that I had, and this is from Scandaleyes, and as you can see, it's just a very chubby pencil. And all we're going to do, this is so easy, you guys, you won't even believe how easy this is. All we're going to do is we're going to line the bottom rim in just about halfway there. So that's it there. Then we're going to take that out straight towards the tail of the brow, like so. Then I want you to take it up and I want you to put it in the crease fairly dark. See that right there? That's fairly dark. Okay, now that we've done that, and you can make a mess. See, I made a mess. Now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a stiff brush. This is an M443 from Morphe, and this is a fairly stiff brush. And we're going to start right up here on the top, and we're just going to take that shadow, and we're going to go back and forth, and we are just going to blend that shadow out. So you already have your crease color because most of the color was deposited right down there in the crease. And all we're doing is we're just blending it out up and to the outside of our eye, so that it's very minimal look. And it's so fast and it's so easy. And then what I do is I pick up a pencil brush for the bottom line, and I just brush that from the corner into the inner corner, and then back and forth again, just smudging it out ever so slightly. Sorry about the shaky hands. I am a little jerky today. I apologize for that. So if you wanted to stop there, you could. That would be your whole entire look. Out the door, you're fine. But I'm also choosing to use a lighter color chubby pencil. This one is from Laura Mercier. This part you could just go across your lid and just put some on your lid right there, and just finger it across your lid and put it right in the corner right there in order for our eyes to have that brightness. And then maybe just a teeny tiny bit up here by the eyebrow. And then you have a very minimalist look, but you kind of dressed it up just a little bit. Now, can you see how much difference that did with both eyes? Now, this eye looks a little bit lifted. It's got a little bit of a wake looking in the corner there, and we're ready to go. So let's do it on the other eye as well. Okay, so all we're doing is line the bottom rim, and I'm not, did you notice I'm not doing my water line? So line the bottom lashes about halfway in, pull it up just a little bit, and then again across in the crease right there. And like I said, you can make that, look how messy that is. You can make that as messy as you want to. Take your brush, and we're just going to blend that baby out. And this I think I put a little bit more on, so you're going to be able to see, and then I'll kind of fix the two so they match. So I'm kind of taking that out towards that tail right there of the eyebrow. And then I am just blending it so that it will go up towards the eyebrow all the way across. And remember, in one of my tutorials I told you guys, little stippling motions, it's better than to do the back and forth windshield wiper. Okay, and this one didn't get quite as much, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to give this a little bit more love right there. I didn't put any more extra product on there. I just gave it a little bit more love. And then I'm going to take my pencil brush again, and I'm going to just kick that over across. Now, if that's not minimalist, I don't know what is. We're talking minimal in time. We're talking minimal in product. And we're talking the quickness of it as well. So fast, so easy. I love to do this on days when I'm just going to be like kicking around at home, or I'm just going to go to the grocery store. I just need something so I don't feel like I'm not polished. So now we're talking about being super minimal. I just picked up this pink buttercream blush from Laura Geller at the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. And by the way, if you guys don't have this one, it's so pretty. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of blush on, and then I'm going to pop on a little bit of gloss. The new L'Oreal Infallible Lay Gloss, I think it's called Lay Gloss, and it's supposed to be 8 hours. I don't know if it's 8 hours, but it does stay on a long time, you guys. I really like it. And this one is called Petal. Now, since this is a minimalist look, you can skip this part if you want to, but I would, if it were me, just pop on a little bit of bronzer across my forehead just to warm my look up a little bit, and across the cheeks a little bit, and then maybe down my neck. Just a tiny bit, just to warm up the look. And then if you felt like you need a little bit of contour, just stick real close into that little pocket that I've told you guys about before. Now I'm going to pop some Grande mascara. I got this from Octoly to try, and I was hoping that I could find another mascara that doesn't like run on my bottom lashes. And this one does a really good job. I'm really kind of liking it a lot. It's not the greatest for like staying a long time like my Benefit They're Real. You guys know I like that more than anything. And this is an extremely buildable mascara. It does take a while to build up. I will say that the one thing that I'm not crazy about is that when you pull it out of the tube, it's pretty goopy. So I do tend to like rub off the excess quite a bit, but it is what I have on my top lashes today, and it did a good job. And then of course I just put it on the bottom lashes to finish the look. But that's it, you guys. That's the minimalist look. I love so much that this is just takes you like 5 minutes to do your makeup and you're out the door. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please give this video a thumbs up. That really does help me out so very much. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys all so very much. Thank you for being here with me, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye, you guys.